Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can turn off Instagram story comments. Also, before we get started, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. So Instagram recently released an update where they added a feature that allows people to comment on your Instagram stories. So here is how you can disable that feature. First, go to your Instagram profile. Then go to these three little lines in the upper right corner. Now just scroll down until you can see the comments option. So here it is. Click on the comments. Here go to stories. And here are your story comments settings. So right now I have enabled people that you follow that can comment on my stories. And to turn it off, I will simply tick the off button. So now you have your settings set that no one can comment onto your Instagram stories. And that's how you disable Instagram story commenting on Instagram. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Also, if you want to further support the channel, don't forget to check out our Buy Me a Coffee link in the description. Thank you for watching.